What you do is you go right, up, right, up, right, up, up, right. And I had cross, now that brings up the basket. So I'm going to put fish food in my left hand again. And I'm going to do the same sequence. Now I have the fish. What you do if you have the fish is you want it nibbling your left hand. And then you go right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. That brought up another fish. So I'm going to turn that fish and have it nibble my left hand. Go right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. Now I have the whole top phase yellow. Now I look for two of the same corners matching color. These two don't, these two don't, these two don't, and these two don't. If you don't have two, you pick any side. You pick any side, and that will be your back. And then you go. A tall tower comes down from the sky. A robot smiley face comes out. Then the robot tries to find a small L, but he finds a big L. And when you get the big L, you have to turn the back twice, not once. And then the smiley face robot came back. He went back into his tall tower, and he found the big L, and he left, and when he left, the big L left too. Now I have a pair of matching corners, so I'm going to put that in my back and do the same thing. A tall tower comes down from the sky. A smiley faced robot comes out of it. It looks for a small L, but finds a big L. Once again, when you get the big L, you have to turn the back twice. The robot smiley face comes back. He gets back into his tall tower. He finds the big L, and when he leaves, the big L leaves. And now, I have the corners all solved. Now you should have the corners all solved. You should also, now you look for a solid side. This one isn't, this one isn't, this one isn't, and this one isn't. If you have that, you pick anyone to be your back. So I'll pick, how about the blue side to be my back? So now I'm going to flip my front upside down, turn the top to the orange since this piece wants to go. Have the walls come down, they flip upside down and go back up. Have the white line come to the front and flip that upside down. Now the orange is my solid side, so I'll put that in my back and have my front flip upside down. Have this go over here since this piece wants to go over there. Have the walls come down, flip them up. The walls go back up, bring the white line to the front, and flip it upside down. Now you should have a solved cube. I'm going to solve the cube. You can see how I can. Good luck with your Rubik's Cube.
And remember to have fun!